This video is sponsored by His Vessel Academy.
So in this video, we're going to actually talk about 9 timetables. And honestly, they're probably the most interesting facts about them. And I want to start with you used to be told, you're told that, like 4 times 5, and you could it would, that would be 6, 6 times 9, sorry, would be like 54. And you could do it with your fingers. But I'm going to show you some really cool other ways that we can do it as well. So say I decide to just sit here and go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ran out of room over there. So we're going to actually count backwards now. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now those of you that know that 9 does not want to go in, those of you that know your timetables should look at this and say, wait a minute, those are all my 9 timetables, aren't they? This one here is just 1 times 9. This one here is 2 times 9, etc. This one here is 4 times 9. This one down here is 6 times 9. Yeah, I'm only doing evens. This one here is 8 times 9, and that's 10 times 9. I can figure out what the ones in the between are. So it's kind of cool how that works and how that is kind of a really cool thing. I did rewrite the numbers so that way you can kind of see it, but I didn't put the timetables in there. Interesting. We'll see them in a minute. So did you know that 0 plus 1 is 1, right? 0 plus 1 is 1. And we have our 0, 9, and that means 1 times 9. Okay? So when we have this 9, we're looking at it this direction. We're going to look at it the other way in a minute. But 1 plus 1 is 2, and this first digit is a 1, so the answer is going to be 2 times 9. This first digit here is a 2, so it's 3 times 9. And so on and so on. So in other words, if you look here, this 6 here is going to tell me that my answer is going to be 7, or my question is going to be 7 times 9. Now, how can I use that when I have an actual, 5 times 9? Well, I know what 5 minus 1 is, right? That's 4. So I know 5 times 9 is in the 40s. And so there gives me 45. And we'll talk about how we can get that 45 in a minute. Or 7 times 9 is 63, but 7 minus 1 is 6, so that makes sense that it's in the 60s. So that's kind of a cool little way of doing it. But did you also know that when you add the 2 digits, you actually get 9? 0 plus 9 is 9, 1 plus 8 is 9, 2 plus 7 is 9, and so on. It's kind of cool how that works. See, look, 5 plus 4 is 9. You'll also notice another cool thing about them, and it's really cool. We'll go over the other column in a minute, but they kind of go together. Whoops, that didn't go all the way down as I wanted it to, but they go together, doesn't it? Like, this is 10 times 9, and this is 1 times 9. Huh, look at that. They're opposite, right? 0 plus 9 is 9, and 9 plus 0 is 9. So this would be 90, and this is just 9. It's kind of cool how that works. This one is 18. Its opposite is 81. Huh. So now this is 2 times 9, and this is 9 times 9. Isn't that kind of cool how that works? And they go together. Sorry, that's, 9 times 9. And then what about this one? 2 times 7 that's going to be 3, right? That's going to be, we're looking at, oh, that should be 1, by the way. 1, 2, 3. 3 times 9 is 27. There it is right across from you. Might help you a little bit. But actually, maybe we'll look at these instead. So we have 9 goes with 90, because 0, 9. 81 goes with 18. 27 goes with 72. 36 goes with 63. And 5 goes with 6. It's kind of cool how that works. We just looked at the opposites of them. And that's a really cool way of figuring out your 9 tables. So how do we use it? So if we are given something like, I don't know, 6 times 9 and we don't have our timetables, or we don't want to write them all out, how do we figure out what that might be? Well, we can kind of put it all together. 6 minus 1 is 5, so that means we're in the 50s, right? So think about it. Okay, we're going to look at 6. I'm going to get my pen real quick. We're going to go 6 times 9, and then we're going to look at the number that's being multiplied by 9, and it's 6, and 1 less than 6 is 5. And then we're going to ask yourself, 5 plus what equals 9? Well, 5 plus 4 equals 9. There's my answer. I want you to try this with a couple of them. So think of like 8 times 9, because that kind of gives you a little hassle. What is 8 minus 1? That's right, 7. And 7 plus what makes 9? That's right, 2. Hey, there's my answer. And it works with all of them from 1 to 10. And it's really a cool way of actually learning your 9 timetables. And 9 is such an interesting number. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and follow me on YouTube so you can actually get my new videos as they come out.
At His Vessel Academy, we offer live interactive classes as well as some self-paced courses. Visit hisvesselacademy.com for more information and register today.